Traders, I hope we had a great end to our first quarter of 2025. I hope we had a great end to our month of March. And I surely and hope that we had a great end to this trading week. But this is your boy Hallam, Kingsley OT, and I'm back again with another video. So on today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing to you guys our weekly trading outlook for the coming week. So if you're new to my channel, guys, this is your boy Hallam, and I appreciate having you guys as one of our subscribers and family members. So I'm gonna be taking you guys into my journey, showing you how we trade, how we live our lives as traders, YouTubers, entrepreneurs, and surely investors, right? But before we hit the charts, make sure you like the video, you share the video, you leave a comment on the video, you click the link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. But if you're looking for a in-person mentorship course, a one-on-one, then I guess you came to the right channel and you came at the right time because we're having an exclusive deal where I'm gonna be taking you guys and showing you guys how to trade for 2 days with an affordable price of 3,000 rands. So you don't want to miss this opportunity. Take this opportunity, seize this opportunity, and most of all, do what you have to do so I can unleash the potential that you have as a trader in 2025. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, let me share to you guys this possible direction for the coming week on 3Ps, and let me make sure that I give you guys the education that you need so we can capitalize during the coming week. So, first pair will be the NAS. So, understanding that our structure on Nasdaq is bearish, right? With our structure on Nasdaq being bearish, we now understand that the nature of price being bearish, we've been violating our lows. So with price violating our lows and looking at how price might end our trading week, you now can understand that if I have to zoom in the charts, this was my, okay, this zone is my previous all-time high resistance, right, which was somehow violated. So with price giving us a violation of this all-time high resistance, we now understand that there are two things that we might look for the coming week because we're waiting for confirmation. Well, three things to be honest with you guys, right? One of the first few things is that with price being bearish, are we gonna get a pullback on exhaustion phase before we can look for that continuation to the downside, which is one. Two, if price trades on our very same zone, are we gonna have a fail to break so we can look for the possible reversal to the downside, or are we gonna get a violation in order for us to look for the continuation to the downside? Because we're simply waiting for confirmation, we're just not sure of what price might look to do. But all we can hope for is to just wait for price to print out so we can react without further ado. And we hit the second pair, which is gold. So gold will be very simple, guys, because understanding our overall structure, price is bullish, but with our current price market, price is bearish. So with price being our overall structure being bullish and our current price being bearish, there's two things that we need to focus on for the coming week because we're also waiting for confirmation. We now need confluences and confirmations before we can put our money to work on gold, same as the last. This is our previous higher high, right? Which price gave us a violation of and created what this possible new highs. So from this possible new highs, price had a push to the downside, breaking below our very same one, our very same zone, and trading below our very same zone. So this the market is about to close in like 10 minutes, to be honest with you, to just sum it up. So with now price looking to close or looking for a possible end, a bearish end to the week. Now that we're waiting for confirmation, there's two things that we're looking for. If price is gonna give us a break above, then I guess we're gonna look for that continuation to the upside or that reversal. Yeah, let me just say continuation to the upside. But if price gives us a trade below this very same zone, then I guess we might look forward for those continuations to the downside because our current structure is bearish and with price violating our high and trading below our high. If it happens that we stay below our high, then we look to be bearish. But if it happens that price violates our previous higher high, then I guess we look to be bullish. But in conclusion, we're simply waiting forward for confirmation to see what is gonna happen. You guys get that? Last but not least, we're having USD CAD. So on USD CAD, guys, on USD CAD, guys, USD CAD might be USD CAD will be a easy pair to trade for the coming week because we have a trade idea. Understanding that if price has a trade idea, understanding if we have a trade idea, then there's a higher chance that obviously price looks tradable and price is smooth and price is sweet and clear and just price action is it. So USD CAD guys, understanding that this is our word is our support zone, and price has been holding above this very same support zone until price gave us this violation and created this very same low. And with this low, price had a push to the upside. So looking at how price is moving now and looking at how price might look to end the week, USD CAD will be very simple. I repeat, we're looking to be what? We're looking to be bullish if price trades above our very same support. So just like they always say in textbook forex, you buy support, you sell resistance. So if price will trade below, then I guess we might look for that move to the downside and just be bearish. Do you guys get that? So USD CAD will be very simple. Price has support, and with price having support, if this candlestick closes above this very same zone in like 10 minutes, then I guess for the coming week, I'll not look for those possible continuations to the upside. But if price trades below and closes below, like it's somehow looking to be in the next 10 minutes, then I guess I might look for those moves to the downside. But looking for moves to the downside, we might need much confluences and much momentum so we can push to the downside because price has more momentum on our support. And obviously, once we're below support, we might look for more confluences and more strength so we can look for that move to the downside. But in conclusion, we're looking to be bullish above our zone and to be bearish below our zone. Do you guys get that? So without further ado, guys, thanks for tuning in, thanks for liking, thanks for showing love, and thanks for sharing the videos and leaving a comment, and far most importantly, for trading with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. I repeat, if you want an in-person mentorship course, a 2-day in-person mentorship course, take this opportunity because we're having a 50% discount. Make sure that you take this opportunity, you take my number, you take my Instagram number, my link, you just use any communication tool that you can use so you can get a hold of me so I can educate you, teach you, and far most importantly, unleash the potential that you carry as a Forex trader in 2025, moving on to the rest of your journey. But without further